Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Acura MDX. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 280 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch multi-spoke alloys. Tires are in good condition. Brown leather interior, sunroof, rear climate controls, third row seating, MDX SH all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate. I said that all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats, keyless entry, memory seats, wood trim, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, media display, which is touchscreen, navigation, cup holders, hard keys for our navigation and media display. This Acura has 22,360 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acura MDX, check out feldmannimports.com.